Welcome back to Sprague Homestead. So today we're going to be launching a new series called Female Farmer Fridays. And yes, that's a bit of a mouthful. So the purpose of Female Farmer Fridays, if I can even get it out, is to really talk about women in agriculture. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about small agriculture. We're going to be talking about the tools you need and use every day on your homestead. Everything right down to farm clothing, good boots for women, things that make our lives a little bit easier. We're also going to talk about ag news that affects you as a female farmer, from USDA loan programs specifically made out to the woman that's trying to grab her own agricultural piece of the pie, to other loan programs and other assistance that you can get as a woman trying to do the agricultural farming thing. So beyond these weekly tips and tricks and product reviews that we're going to be doing once a month, we're also going to pick a female farmer to feature. Again, say that 3 times fast. So if you'd like to be mentioned or showcased in one of our upcoming Female Farmer Friday videos, go ahead and go onto our Sprague River Homestead Facebook page. If you're not already giving us a like, go ahead and give us a like. And on the video link that'll go to this video, go ahead and make a comment on there letting us know what farmer you'd like to nominate for an upcoming Friday and why she is an exceptional female farmer. Now, you don't have to raise livestock. If you have a big garden and do that and go to the farmer's market, if you make your own soaps off of your farm, if you sell flowers, if you make your own yarn and knit, or anything you do that is coming off of your farm that you as a woman are handling on your own, and that doesn't mean, I do goats and the husband gets out and he helps do most of the feeding. So anything that you are doing as a woman to promote agriculture, go ahead and go on there and nominate yourself. Nominate your friends, your neighbors. I want to really see us grow this female farmer community. I kind of went through and looked at YouTube. There's not a whole lot. And a lot of the women that are on these pages that are homesteading, mostly they're just doing stuff at home and handling the kitchen stuff and not really doing anything else. So what I'm really looking for here is kind of the, not necessarily jack of all trades. Like I said, you don't have to do everything, but specifically women that are really kind of pushing forth in agriculture and small agriculture. If you're running 300 head of cattle or, running a major hay operation, you're not really who I'm looking for. I'm looking for the small farmer that, like I said, is hitting the farmers markets, that's raising dairy goats, that's making their own cheese products, that kind of thing. You're who I want to hear from. So like I said, go onto our Facebook page, go down to the video link, and in the comments, go ahead and put who you're nominating and why. Please don't write me a whole entire novel, just a brief synopsis of what makes this woman an exceptional farmer and kind of what she does, to give me a little heads up. The goal is to probably do it about the 3rd Friday of every month. So we've got pretty close to a whole month. So get those nominations in. And that's it from Sprague River Homestead today on your very first Female Farmer Friday. Happy homesteading.